Hey there, you're saving up for that dream vacation, a new car, or maybe even a down payment on a house. You've heard about Acorns, the popular micro-investing app that makes it easy to start investing with small amounts of money. But before you dive in, there's one question on your mind. What's the minimum balance you need to get started? Hook. In this video, we're going to answer that question and explore everything you need to know about Acorns' minimum balance requirements. We'll also discuss some of the benefits of using Acorns for your investing goals. Building context. Acorns is a great option for beginners because it's designed to be user-friendly and accessible. The app automatically rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the difference. This means you can start investing without even noticing it. Answering the main question, minimum balance. So, what's the minimum balance you need to get started with Acorns? The good news is that it's pretty low. Acorns doesn't have a minimum initial deposit requirement. You can start investing with as little as $5. That's right, just $5. Benefits of using Acorns. Asterisk beyond the low minimum balance, there are several other benefits to using Acorns. Asterisk easy to use, the app is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, even for those who are new to investing. Asterisk diverse investment options, Acorns offers a variety of investment options, including ETFs, stocks, and bonds. Asterisk roundup feature, the roundup feature makes it easy to save and invest small amounts of money. Asterisk automated investing, Acorns can automatically invest your money based on your risk tolerance and investment goals. Asterisk affordable fees, Acorns has low fees compared to traditional investment firms. Additional considerations. Asterisk while Acorns is a great option for many people, it's important to consider your individual needs and goals before investing. Here are some additional factors to keep in mind. Asterisk your risk tolerance, Acorns offers a variety of investment options, so it's important to choose one that aligns with your risk tolerance. Asterisk your investment goals, are you saving for retirement, a down payment on a house, or something else? Acorns can help you achieve your goals, but it's important to have a clear plan in place. Asterisk other investment options, Acorns is just one option for investing. It's important to research other options and compare them to Acorns before making a decision. Conclusion. Asterisk in conclusion, Acorns is a great option for those who want to start investing with small amounts of money. The app has a low minimum balance requirement, is easy to use, and offers a variety of investment options. However, it's important to consider your individual needs and goals before investing. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.